Luar Kapatisi TV.
Admissions open for degree courses in Sngewsih College. Various VTC courses are offered along with majors in many subjects. Pay reasonable fees in installments. Meritorious students will be given fees concession.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad ki sangma ulaong bakumba ula kular hapo ke Ïingdorbar thawan ula pendep ela ka jong kular pankhot ya Jingïalang jong baro ki sengsan perthai banyatheria tai halo ka jingai jingkan tho daga expert committee halo ka state reservation policy hadin bala IT ya ka kai phat haka jingkran bakila phai khubur haka nyau tarik jemang aja phanrio Menteri Rangba ulaong bakalong pat ka Sngewsih Watla ka sengsan perthai ka basyong ka yang persya ka Dawa hapo ka Ïingdorbar thawan Hynrei andala khatpat ya Jingïalang ka pep pat kampoi satya sa ka Jingïalang.
Nothing went wrong. What was important to note is that we don't shy away from giving a shot. We have the courage to move forward. In many locations, I remember in Manipur when we first started off, we got 2 people who joined us. And that's how every long journey starts with the first step. I think what is important is to have the courage to be able to take that step in spite of all challenges and the difficulties that one may face. I think that's what determines an organization and that's what determines leadership. For us, yes, we had a very difficult phase in Assam, but that doesn't deter us. I think what's important is we have taken the courage and taken the step forward, and more importantly, we will learn from the situation that unfolded and make sure that we improve and become better in the future.
So street protest.
That one has to walk the talk. We are a parliamentary democracy, and the legislature is the highest level of our democracy. And it is there that we take up matters that are important to the people and the state. And as elected members, that's how we move in a democracy. And therefore, this entire structure has been enshrined in the Constitution, based on a political system that our forefathers had envisioned. Therefore, what is important is to live by letter and spirit of the Constitution and provisions of the parliamentary democracy. Based on that, during the debate and discussion when I had laid the report of the expert committee, that certain political parties from the opposition had demanded that an all-party meeting should be called to discuss this matter in detail, which is what I did. I gave a commitment and assurance to the House, and I went ahead with my assurance and called all the parties. But as I said, certain political party informed me that they will not be able to come because they have other issues, important issues that need to address. So what is important is when we are looking at an issue, then we must go all out for what we believe in. We have to take the options. This meeting was very important because in a constitution, in a government, in a democratic parliamentary democracy, these are the platforms in which you take up these issues and these matters. And it's not that we go to the streets for every single issue, especially when opportunities are being given in a democratic manner and constitutional manner to take up the matter and issue. And it's sad that certain political parties, though demanded it, but ultimately did not come for it.
So that's what comment.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.